Welcome to Wollongbar Primary Industries Institute here on the sunny North Coast. My name's Mark Hickey and I'm the Institute Director here at Wollongbar. Wollongbar Agricultural Research Station was established in 1894. Wollongbar is the second oldest research facility in New South Wales. The site we're on here at Wollongbar was originally covered in rainforests, so it was an area called the Big Scrub, and early settlers cleared initially for the red cedar and other precious timbers in the late 1800s. Following that clearing, farming commenced in the area, and there was a great need to be able to research what crops did well in the area. So there were things like small crops, vegetables, there was things like coffee even, which have been grown up here today on the North Coast, were experimented with back in those days. There was a whole range of activity done, but the core activity was development of pastures for cattle grazing, because the area had been cleared and cattle was a major industry back then. The dairy industry was one of the early industries which was established. And over the years there has been a transformation of the region from a principal livestock focus to the mid-1900s, where horticulture emerged as one of the major crops. So crops such as bananas, the North Coast was a focus for banana production in Australia. It's very different today, of course, although we still do development for the banana industry here at Wollongbar. The other crops grown then, sugarcane, which is today still a major industry for the North Coast. In the past, Wollongbar has been a centre for research into pigs. There was a regional veterinary laboratory here, which was closed in 2012, and Wollongbar then became a centre for environmental laboratories. So testing for soil, water, plant still takes place here today. Wollongbar Primary Industries Institute is an integrated site, so we're very diverse. We have regulatory function. The biggest team here on the biosecurity side is the cattle tick program. We also have food safety and biosecurity policy people based here. Agricultural research is one of our major focuses, so we're doing everything from horticultural research to soils research, and we also have agricultural development people, horticulture development officers, soils development officer, and also we have a major soils group. The soils research, although it's based here at Wollongbar, that research is done all over Australia. Wollongbar Primary Industries Institute includes two other livestock properties, one at Duck Creek down on the floodplain, and another property called Pierces Creek, which is used for grazing and rotation of the stock. Horticultural research takes place at the Centre for Tropical Horticulture, which is at 7 kilometres down the road on the Bruxner Highway towards Ballina at Alstonville. The Centre for Tropical Horticulture is a focus for our macadamia research, and in the past we've also done research there for things like bananas, avocado, low chill stone fruit, and we do some research in blueberries. In 2019 we're celebrating 125 years since the research here on site began. So we're really looking forward to inviting people, including EPI people from all over the state, to join us to celebrate the 125th anniversary, and we plan to put on a good show for the community and for our work colleagues.